Season is about to end and we want to get to 200k subscribers. Bafethu siyanicela, please subscribe. We are left with only 1 month. Can we do it? I believe we can. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, TS Galaxy 3. I'm joined by the president.
Yes, Mr. Stibo.
Utusi.
Yes, defense president.
Yes.
Yes, Stibo. Lamhla ngikhulume kakhulu Stibo.
Yeah, babani.
Uyakhumbula nge-Nedbank Cup, nge-Nedbank final.
Sure.
Lesonke elo ePeter Cup.
Yes.
What did I say my fans with Sundowns? I told them ukuthi they must give me a brown envelope early. Bona bangitshela bathi like bathi bona they don't need any favors from ETS Galaxy.
Yes.
Now sibakhombela ukuthi sibashayile la.
Yeah.
Yes, and another thing. Yesterday I was interview with the legend Daniel Mambush Mundau.
Yes.
Wathi ngimtshela kuthini Mambush? Utheni? Oh yena utshela mina straight wathi yena uligudzumela la sePitori.
Yes.
012.
Yes.
Namchathi Mr Mundau.
Yeah.
Akunamagudzumela la Mpumalanga. La Mpona City 013. That is why we scored 3 goals. Yena ugcine ku 2 goals because 012. Thina 013.
Yeah.
Sundowns ayilale ngelinqeba.
Yeah.
Ayizami kef.
Yeah.
Yes my brother.
Bazama ukusendela ibribe.
Yeah, abasendela ibribe bazami kef.
Yeah ne.
Yeah,
Bafethu sikhuphukeni ku World Cup no Williams.
Code numbers.
Siyeni ku World Cup no Williams.
Williams so raise ama question marks la maningi Williams.
Yeah.
Because the performance yakhe lasinike yona.
Yeah.
Angihambi naye ngiya ku World Cup. Angihambi uyasala.
Akasali.
Ivisa vele ngingimendele. Uyasala.
Uyavuza.
Ngiyamshiya Williams.
Kuneni var bafethu.
Ngiyamshiya. Ngiyobeka lapha.
Ndoda.
Ngiyobeka lapha kule plane. Ngiyobeka ngimle ngenisa abadlali. Ngiyobeka ngimle ngenisa ama player lapha. Mangifika ku Williams ove ngithi cut.
Yeah.
Sivale iminyango sihambe seMexico.
Siyabonga baba wami.
Amen.